Hello, and welcome to today's day 9 of learning Python from ChatGPT. So let's get started. Oops. Python learning curriculum. So, please give me day 9, lesson 9, day 9 of teaching me Python with you acting as a private tutor. Dictionaries. Okay. So in today's lesson, we'll introduce you to dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries are a collection of key value pairs where each key is unique and maps to a value. By the end of the lesson, you know how to create, access, modify, and perform various operations on dictionaries. So creating dictionary. Okay, so it's basically just a map. By placing a comma, curly braces, colon. Okay, pretty easy. You can access the dictionary values by referring to the keys inside square brackets. Yep. Just like maps. So student at A, yeah. Print student, okay. Student at grade, print student. Yeah. Oh, okay, so you can delete one. Pretty cool. Dictionary methods. Python provides several useful methods for working with dictionaries, keys, values, and items. There's an object containing dictionaries, keys, view object, and a view object. Okay, so items just prepares keys and values. Yep, sample code. So assignment. Create and print a dictionary. Yep. So let's go to project and add day 9. So we're going to have a question file, day 9, and let's get started. Great, so we can movie. It seems to be a common theme, just movies everywhere. Have movies. So we have title, no, fab movie. Title, I'll just do line, the witch and the wardrobe. Then we can, we need a comma, fab movie equals director. I'll just make a name up. John Brown. Yeah. 1989. Don't even know. Genre. Fiction. So print fab. There we go. Let's go into the next one. I wonder when we're going to learn object oriented programming there. I can't copy this for some reason. Okay, let's copy. Oops. Yeah. Okay, so fab book equals title, no. Embracing modern. Safely, and author is predominantly John Lakos. It doesn't say year on the blog, but I'll just do. I assume it's 2021. And genre programming. Print the title and author. So we'll do print title plus book at. I'll put the title, print author plus oops. Okay. To be honest, dictionaries are pretty easy because they just like stood them out in 2++. There's a lot. Another 3. Oh, another laptop thing. Should be here. Oops. So the laptop. Brand will do is Dell. Model Inspiron. And then price, I'll say like $2.99 or something. Update the price of the laptop and print the updated dictionary. So laptop price equals 30. Oops. Then we can print laptop. There we go. Create a dictionary with information about a car. So brand, say Tesla, model X, year 2024. No, it was probably 2019. And what do we do now? We add the color car at color equals white. Dell car at print car. Okay, last one. Pretty additional keys about smartphone. So smartphone equals brand Nokia, model brick, price 5, color blue. A blue Nokia phone. So print keys, print smartphone keys, print okay, Now let's run this one. Okay, and let's commit this. And it's just pushing there for you now. Okay, nice. Okay, so thank you for watching today's video, and be sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video tomorrow.